don't you go.
Don't go back
to the thing.
Don't go back
Don't you go. No.
Don't go
No, 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 no. Now we all fall short of God's glory, but a change can come through confession, repenting of all the wrong that we do, even bad attitudes. Decide, change your mind, let your spirit be set free. Trust He'll deliver you, but you have to be ready to let it go. Can't take the new without letting go the old. No, no. If He brought you through, He'll continue to make a way. If He brought you out.
Hey, hey, you are still rocking with the blessed, y'all. So guess what? We have the oh so blessed SongBird and the guest of honor here. Kimise, yo, I like to call her Mise, yow, you know what I'm saying? Everybody just burnt up this building in your honor tonight. So, how you feel, babe?
I feel great. I feel blessed. This was an awesome night. Everything came together so well. I had a great time, and it seems like everybody else did too. So I'm happy.
Yes, yes.
I'm 40 and happy.
40 and happy. It's better that's better than being 40 and not so happy.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Well, we have a good time. I'm happy too. I'm happy to be here. Thank you for having me.
Oh, thank you for being here. Glory to Lord.
To Lord. Nobody else, because we go hard
For God.
All day. So we say, what's popping on the scene with you though? You know, awesome 2 new songs, man. You did that at a slumber party, I heard. All that y'all just doing miraculous things for the Lord.
Yes, you know, God has truly blessed me. I did my first CD 2 years ago, I Choose You. Now I'm working on the sophomore CD, and the songs that you all heard tonight, Wonderful You Are and Walking in Liberty, are 2 songs from their upcoming CD.
You're giving the devil some trouble, girl.
Oh yes,
Trouble.
oh yes, oh
You're in
yes.
trouble. You know, what about that perfume? You got a perfume on it? Does it smell good?
Yes, it smells good. I'm trying to get the perfume actually at the perfume shop, which is located in Missouri. And it's called SongBird. And guess what, ladies? It smells good. Good, you know, sweet smelling aroma.
Hey, nothing like the
Sweet
smell.
singing SongBird.
The singing to them.
Singing to them.
Yes, sir.
So make sure you stop by the perfume she can get you.
Hey, no doubt, no doubt. Getting it for all the ladies in my family, that's for sure. So y'all, we here with the SongBird on her special night. We all here. We had the Apostle Brian Wilson here. We had Nicoy's music up in here. We had DJ S1. We had myself, D Ray up in here. We had a whole host of what I call the SongBird choir going on in there. Everybody singing along to the songs and stuff. It was pretty awesome. Wish y'all could have been here, but we got many more. We got praise parties coming near you, to a venue near you. Church is the new club. Tell them who they rocking with, honey.
You are now rocking with the best.
Hey, turn down